To maintain your Dell 2335DN printer, it is suggested that you replace the fuser maintenance kit every 70,000 pages. This will help extend the working life of your printer and minimize jams and poor print quality. The maintenance kit part number is D2335-Z1. It includes a fuser, transfer roller, and a pickup roller. To remove the old fuser, first power off and shut down the machine. The fuser will be hot, so give it some time to cool down. Now open the back panel and using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws in the fuser. Pull out the right side of the fuser first, and then the left. Now slide the new fuser in left side first, and screw in the 4 screws. To replace the pickup roller, remove the tray and carefully place the machine on its back. Lift the small piece of plastic holding the roller on the pick roller shaft and slide the pickup roller off. Slide the new roller on and turn until it slides all the way in and locks. To replace the transfer roller, open the front door and remove the toner cartridge. Push the blue plastic lever forward to release the right side of the roller and pull the roller up and out of the machine. To install the new transfer roller, first slide the left side and wiggle it around until it slides in place. Now push the blue plastic lever forward to secure the right side of the transfer roller. Now reinstall the toner cartridge. And that's it. Now plug in and power on the machine. To order this part, or any of your printer needs, please log on to www.iteminkonline.com. For free technical support, give us a call at 1-800-367-4836.